Hi, welcome to the video. In the last video, we talked a little bit about angles, and we also did a few questions as well. In this video, we'll further explore how the angles are made within the circle and outside the circle and how they are related to each other. This is important knowledge to have when doing comparison questions and solve type of questions in GRE. So let's dig in. First, let us understand what is the central angle and what is the inscribed angle. When two lines on the arc of the circle make an angle at the center of the circle, so if this is the center, let's say O is the center, then this angle is called the central angle of the circle. This is the central angle. And when two lines make an angle at the arc of the circle and on the circumference of the circle, then it is called the inscribed angle. So this angle is the inscribed angle. And there is a relation between these two because they share the same arc. If we name these angles, for example, if this is A, this is B, and this is C, so they share the same arc A and C. So if these both the central and the inscribed angles share the same arc AC, then the value of inscribed angle is half the value of the central angle, which means that if the value of this angle, for example, is x degrees, then the value of this angle would be 2x. So these two angles are related to each other with the common arc AC. Another important concept to know is about the inscribed angles in the same arc. Inscribed angles are the angles that are on the circumference of the circle, for example, these two. And if they have the same arc, their value will be the same. So this angle is equal to this angle because they share the same arc BC. These two are the inscribed angles and they share the same arc, hence the value is same. For example, this angle is also the same. For if the value of this angle is x, the value of this angle will also be x, and the value of this angle will also be the same. Hence, if the inscribed angle share the same arc, their value will be the same. This angle equals to this angle equals to this angle. This angle will be the same to this angle, and this angle will be same to this angle because angle A and angle D share the same arc BC, whereas angle B and C share the same arc AD. Okay, let's talk a bit about the tangents here. So here's the figure that shows two tangents, AD and AB, and both of these tangents origin from the point A here, and C is the center of the circle, and any line that joins the tangent to the center of the circle is the radius of the circle R, and it is valid for all the tangents. Hence, for example, if we draw this tangent and we draw a line to the center of the circle, then it will always create a perpendicular angle, which is the right angle, and it will always give the distance that is radius of the circle R. Hence, we can say that this side CD is equal to this side AB, and if both the tangents that origin from the same point are drawn to the circle to different points, then they are always equidistant, which means that this side AB equals this side AD. And there is another point that is important to know is that if we hypothetically draw a line from the center of the circle to the origin vertex of the tangents, then we will get two triangles, and these two triangles are concurrent triangles, which means that their sides are equal and the angles are also the same. So this side is the common side for both the triangles. This tangent is of the same length and this is the radius. Hence, both the radius are also the same, which also means that these angles are also the same. So this angle will equal to this angle and this angle will equal to this angle, which means that these two triangles are congruent triangles. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and in upcoming videos I will share the questions related to these concepts, and we will also solve those questions which will help you in the tests. If you like the video, do subscribe and press the like button and turn on the notifications so that you get informed when I post new videos. And thanks for watching.